Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by naming the file you need and where you last saw it. Be specific about its extension. Open a terminal or file manager now and move into the nearest directory. Once there, list contents and permissions so you know what tools will work. If a file is hidden or protected, you must include hidden flags or elevate privileges. This establishes context and prevents wasted searches, so make sure your shell path matches the area you intend to scan. Now run targeted searches. Use Find to traverse the folder tree or locate for system-wide indexes. Update the index first if needed. Once Find returns paths, filter by type, size, or depth to reduce noise, and use grep for names with patterns. For each candidate path, inspect metadata with stat or LSL and open the file to confirm its contents. This verifies you have the correct file and reveals its absolute directory, so you can proceed confidently. Finally, record the absolute directory using pwd, readlink F, or the file manager address line, and move or copy the file as needed. Once done, verify access and fix permissions or ownership so programs can use the file. If the file still seems missing, refresh the locate database, widen your search patterns, and check common backup locations. Also confirm you searched the correct user profile and mounted drives. One key troubleshooting tip. If permissions block you, escalate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.